Good morning, students. I am Rajiv Ranjan Upadhyay, SST teacher of Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. A student, today I am going to teach you of class 10th Geography lesson 1. Your first lesson of geography for class 10th is resources and development. First of all, I ask to you that what is resources? I think you have some ideas about the resources. I just describe it. Resources. What is resources? Resources, everything available in our environment. Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs, and it is technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. Students, I am just describing that technologically accessible. It means that it is the resources is within the reach of the technology, and just like you can understand it like this, we have abundant amount of the sunlight. We receive sunlight. If we have no any technology to convert sunlight into the energy, then we did not convert sunlight into the resources. Suppose that we have huge amount of the air, huge amount of the ocean water, and we have no technology to convert it into the energy, then it is not energy for, it is not a resources for us. The energy, it means that resources, and resources, it means that fulfill the requirement. We have must technology to convert these resources, this thing into the resources. Another thing, economically feasible. Suppose that we abstract coal from any mines. The price of 1 kg coal is Rs 15 rupees into the international market. And we have spent 20 rupees for abstracting 1 kg of coal. In this situation, we can say this is the valuable for us because of it is easily available into the market at Rs 15, and we have spent for this 1 kg Rs 20. Then it is not useful for us because of we have spent much more amount in comparison of the market price. Understand? The next thing, the culturally acceptable. All the things which is available into the atmosphere, into the environment, they are also must be culturally acceptable. Suppose that drugs, wines. No doubt drugs and wines fulfill some people's requirement. They satisfied the requirement of the people. But our society give the importance to such type of the things. Our society give permission to use such type of the things. We think those person who take such type of the things, our society did not accept them. In this situation, we cannot say that item resources. So it means that resources, that type of the thing which is fulfill the demands of the people, and that is the economically in the reach, technologically accessible, and the culturally acceptable. Students, you have some ideas about the things. I think you use thousands of the things in your everyday life. These all things are built by the any type of the minerals and any type of the resources. Whenever it is capable to fulfill your demand, it will be become the resources. Just like I am saying you, on the basis of our use, on the basis of our daily use, and into the available into the market and the environment, we can classify resources into four broad categories. Number one, on the basis of origin, biotic and abiotic resources. On the basis of origin, biotic and abiotic resources. Number two, on the basis of exhaustibility. On the basis of exhaustibility, the resources of two types. They are known as the renewable and non-renewable resources. Number three, on the basis of ownership. This is a very broad category. On the basis of ownership, resources are individual, community, national, and international. There are four types of the resources on the basis of ownership. And the last, which is known as on the basis of the status of development. On this type, there are also three type of the resources: potential resources, developed stock, and reserves. A student, I will teach you, describe you in the next videos. Thank you.